everyone! This is Ivana and welcome back to my channel. Ngayon ang gagawin natin ay isang napakagandang video dahil marami sa inyo ang nagre-request nito. At yes, ginupit ko ang aking bangs. Pati ako sa nanay ko. But it's real. It's not a prank. Ayoko na din mag-prank-prank kasi medyo mataas yung sinet ni Monang standards eh. So, nandito siya sa tabi ko at gusto ko lang sabihin na finish na.
Love you.
Hindi na ako may paglaban na. Malala na yung ginawa niya sa akin yung kay Rapi Tulpo. Natuto na ako dun. Kaya gusto ko lang sabihin na sa video na finish na tayo sa pranks kasi masyadong matindi yung kalaban ko.
Wow!
Kaya don't you worry anytime. It's never gonna happen. Okay, anyways, today gagawin na lang natin ay life swap with my brother!
Brother, where are you?
Okay, so kilala naman natin si Hash. Siya yung Hash. Siya yung taong walang jowa. Panay computer. Parang yabang ko, no? Alam mo may jowa. Ako sa akin mo talaga nang galing. Anyways, itong video na to is we will become each other. So I will become and you'll become, oh my gosh, Ivana! How does it feel that you will become Ivana?
No, let's see.
What? Let's see.
When I'm Ivana, let's see how it feels.
But I bet, like, don't you wish your sister was like me?
My sister is you.
Yeah, but you want to be me.
Why would I want to be you?
I know you
Okay,
want.
sure I do. My dream's gonna finally come.
Oh my God! I knew it! To be Hash for today, it's just...
A dream come true.
No, it's really a nightmare. Pero kailangan natin gawin para sa inyo. Gagawin ko.
Okay lang. Tadiisin niya.
Let's begin.
Stay.
You will become hot and sexy. Just like your
Oh my God.
beautiful sister Ivana. And you will become really beautiful from the inside to the outside to the every side to the side
I like that.
by side
I want
by
that.
Ariana Grande. Are you ready for it? Nicki
I'm
Minaj.
ready.
Out of being me, what is the most exciting to you?
Wala.
Feeling ko lahat di siya makapili.
Oh, ako din.
Oo.
Wala. I'm so exciting. Like, I wake up and I'm like, oh my God,
my
I'm so
God.
excited. You should be like that, man.
Man.
You should always be excited in life. And that's why we have to start the transformation. Go, girl!
Hi everyone, it's Ivana. Welcome back to my channel.
Ito yun.
Kaya yung kamay. Oh no!
Oh my God!
You like what you see?
No! Wow! You.
Is it so hot?
Why are we doing this? What is the meaning?
I go home. I don't like this challenge anymore.
Bye. Let's go. I
It's
quit.
dumb.
I'm sorry.
I don't like to be Ivana anymore.
I don't like ABCD.
This is
I'm
the
Ivana
end.
now.
This is the end of the situation. Break ko kayo ang kilikili mo.
Parang
Let's
kapantay.
go. Ayos ng claim
Is it better like this?
No!
Oh, God.
Or both?
Agoy! Okay, so nag-shirts na ako kasi syempre, medyo nilalamangan niya ako. But, you know, not for
Hina ng
long.
boses mo.
So, nag-shirt ako for the sake of my future. Kasi syempre, naka-shirt yung isa dyan, hindi ako papatalo. What's up, my friend? From the south, in the north, in the east, in the west. Baby, it's me, Hash.
Oh gosh. Ate Ivana, save
Wow,
me.
bro, ang gwapo mo yan.
I'm Hash.
Oh no.
Wanna make out?
No.
I just wanna say, where's mom? Mariam, I just wanna play ML.
Gusto mo buhatin ulit kita sa ML?
I'm just
Bro,
trying to...
mag-gym ka nga. Ang payat ng katawan mo. Mas malaki pa katawan ko sa'yo.
So, kala pag may girlfriend na ako, buhatin ko siya.
Maghanap ka na ng girlfriend.
Buhat na kita sa ML yun. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko. Mona,
Oh,
what's for lunch?
I don't know. Why don't you cook?
I don't cook. I just cook egg because I don't know how to cook.
Oh no.
No, bro. Alam mo, magaling ka magluto and everything.
I just wanna play ML. What are we gonna do now? I wanna play basketball. Basketball.
Guys.
I wanna play with Barbie.
Ulol daw nag-Barbie ah.
So, meron na lang tayo, ML.
Dapat joke.
I'm the Hashim of the house. I'm looking for a girlfriend. If you're available, just send me message on Instagram. Hashalawi. I want to drink milk.
Oh.
I'm Denver, bro. Where's Professor? Ivana, I think the light is like getting really close.
Mabuti talaga ako, bro. Ingit ka lang.
Bro, why you on spotlight?
Bro,
Ivana, I'm
Kaya talaga
sorry.
po yung Ivana. The spotlight's on you automatic.
Oh.
Parang anghel ako, di ba?
Yako, guys! Nakakahiya ka.
I'm like an angel.
Nakadiri ka.
So, maglalaro kami ng ML. Guys, kung gusto niyo siyang i-add,
Ano kayo invite? Ba't
hash
hindi
lang.
online?
So,
Okay na to?
maglalaro na kami.
Grabe.
Effective yung luto ko kahapon.
Ano ako naging inject ngayon? Paano magluta?
What's that? Di ko
Hindi na, maniwala sila.
Pati ko sa gitna, di ba ako yung bida dito?
Ay, shit!
Ako si Ivana.
Ako yung pita dito. Grabe, nice.
My channel.
Ay, si Mia ko. Uy, akin yan kasi meron
Mimaya ka na.
skin.
Naku, pinili.
Akin yung dapat eh.
Kinuha niya si Mia.
Ito yung favorite ko.
Baka pa favorite ko yan.
Favorite ko yan, si Mia. I love you.
Bro.
Patay mo, patay mo. Oh shit. Go girl, attack. Oh shit, inago pa ni Mona.
Sabi mo, ano?
Sabi, agawin mo.
Aray ko naman, bro.
Sirain na natin, Tori. Oh yeah. Ano, na-push na namin. Wala pang 5 minutes, level 1 pa kami. Oh, game, attack. Attack mo. Ayusin mo yung
Pagkain
puno,
na-
diyan ganyan pa.
Pwede guys.
Bakit mo mo po ako?
Pwede guys, keep
Ba?
trying.
Sabi,
Level 11 ka lang, bro. Mahiya
we have
ka.
been defeated. So, what we're gonna do now is we're...
Ay, nalaglag.
Ayan!
Hey guys, kakain muna tayo ng lunch. And
Tanghalian!
Wow.
ngayon magtatanghalian tayo. What is it?
I thought you were gonna say to me, you're so tanga.
Tanga?
Yeah.
Magtanghi.
Oh my god, you're really dumb.
So here we have rice. And here is the bulalo, my favorite. And then we have the beef kare-kare. We have the
Shrimp
bagoong.
paste.
Shrimp bagoong. Sa Philippines tayo, bro. Now here we have the milkshake. My coconut milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, of course we have chili oil because I cannot eat without chili oil.
Ano yan? Barbie?
Barbecue.
Anong Barbie?
Hi, Barbie!
Yung nakakaganda, ma'am.
Sabi ka
Kaya akong Barbie.
ow!
Here, my
Oh my
favorite.
gosh.
Sinagluto talaga nito yung totoo.
Ako nga.
Kailan pa natuto magluto ka?
Ivana, in short, my gosh. The one who is going to get married soon. Because you know, girls, if you fall in love with me, I will never break your heart. No, I will do this to your heart. Dig, dig. Sama niya magkamali. Oh my God!
Ako kasing bida dito.
Sorry, yun sa...
Dami niyang ulam?
Boy, I don't say I'm bida dito. Lahat tayo pantay-pantay. Ma'am, do you think that I will have a wife soon?
No!
Hanapan kita.
Oh!
I want Filipina. Filipina beauty, baby, all in one. Yeah!
Ganito ako kumain.
No. Please send help.
Hindi kayo dapat gumaganyan.
Boy, tingit ko.
Hindi kayo gumaganyan.
Hi!
Hi, Mona!
Kasi live swap, dito pala ako. Hi!
Alam mo ba paborito kita?
Ate! Hindi ka mapayag na gano'n!
Favorite
Hindi ako makain pa ako.
I'm
Siya
boy.
kasi yung laging binubugbog ng araw, kaya
Okay,
napalapit siya sa
boy, in reality, you're Ivana and mom is saying si kuya yung favorite niya. So,
I know, but
bakit masaya mo?
I'm bro right now. So get a life and don't touch me.
Hey,
So,
bro!
how much do you love me? If the boat was sinking and we have no armband and there is shark, who will you save?
Dami.
What? Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, do you love me more? I'm sorry, guys.
You already get the mirror.
No, meron pa, oh, guys.
The marrow is inside, oh. Ay, akin na lang yan.
My mom wants it. My mom wants it. Mom, you said it.
Party mo, ma'am?
You're so art. What's art?
Sinipsip na sinipsip, tapos ibigay niyo sa akin. Ano kayo?
Why?
Ate.
Mali ko, siya yung Englishero.
I will tell you. Arte. Acting. Tama na, maglaba ka na. Tara na. Tara na.
Tara na.
Uy! Sino magliligpit?
Mona.
Ivana.
Her.
No.
Si bro.
Kami na dalawa nagliligpit.
Maglalaba muna tayo.
Tayo?
Tayo?
Kami ng mga viewers.
I just wanna say, guys, she don't know how to wash clothes in true life because she's me.
It is English, ma'am.
Cannot.
True to me.
What?
Come here. Magpalit kami ng buhay na kunwari lang.
Hanapan kita. Ako naman nililigaw for you.
Magkasawa ka na, bro.
I'll be the one
Hinatahan
to
ka na.
hurt for you.
Gano'n bang kachat in Instagram? I like to play Instagram and I like to talk to women on
Dapat Tinder.
Instagram.
I want too much apo.
Oh,
Oh.
I will give you. Maraming.
Wait.
Kada taon gagawa ako ng dalawa.
Tara na guys, maglalaba na tayo. Ayan, I'm so cute.
Oh, God.
Muna mamaya mag-photoshoot tayo.
Oh, wow.
Mariam.
Okay, ate.
Ay, mo!
What?
Oh, gosh.
Ano
Hindi ako
dito?
sanay na ganyan ka. Ano yung laro na gumaganto? Ha? Piko? Paano napikon ka sa kalaro mo? Eh, di pikon. Walang damama kasi wala natatawa sa joke ni Ashim. Nagets ko na yun.
Ano tawag sa pikon pag nag-piko? What? Tumawa na. Okay na. What? Can you say?
Ayoko na. Ma'am, I'm mama's
Sorry.
boy. I'm mama's boy. I'm mama's boy.
Mom, I'm mama's girl. I'm mama's girl.
Mom, you're such a liar. You do that to me, not to her.
No.
Iba na.
But you also love me. Because I'm your only boy. If
Yeah,
I were a boy.
Bro, parang bading. You are a boy.
Basta huwag ka magugulat, promise.
May pandesal na. Nakita niyo ba yun?
Pandesal?
Hindi niya makita. Kasi,
No.
Tsaka nanginginig nakikita mo, ma'am.
dali. Tama, nanginginig. Panis kayo kay Hashim.
Pawisan ka sa muscle ko. No? Ivana will start wash. Ang gagawin mo dyan? Ang gagawin mo dyan, Kurt?
Mukha ko po Hashim doon.
Wait.
Hashim, umupo ka daw.
Hindi yan upuan. Naku, mataas yan.
Dito ka upo, dito. Nakaganto.
May teacher ako.
Mapuputuruan. Pakita mo sa kanya, gusto mo rin maglaba.
First, we need soap.
Uy, Tagalog ako, tanga.
Ay, kailangan natin ng sabon.
Tagalog
Sprinkle
nga pa.
some.
Tagalog. Ang Tagalog!
Mag-sprinkle tayo
Tagalog, hindi yun. Magbubod-bud.
Magbububud food. Little magic powder.
Hindi yun magic powder. Ang maginhawang lakas.
Ang maghinawang lakas. Watch and learn everyone, bro. Ikaw marunong maglaba. Turuan
Yeah.
na kita
I
ngayon.
watch.
Now, first step is, shh! Ako ang tuturo.
Turo. Watcher lang tayo, ma'am.
Must make the bubbles.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay.
Ginagawa mo.
Now, let's start. You put the rock, yung bato ilalagay mo sa kamay mo. Tapos,
Matas, lola, nung mo sa pigaw. Darna!
ikaw kayo maglaba ng damit mo.
Ano yan? OMG.
Tapos na to. Thank you. Next. Hindi.
Paano?
Use the drops.
Basically, tutumihan mo yung tuwalya.
OMG, good luck, Ivana. Paano kapag may kasawa?
May dalang bato.
Two in one kasi yung bato.
ko.
Pag pasawa yung asawa, papatuhin ko to.
May hindi nakakatawa yung mga joke niya.
May funny mo na?
Yes.
What's this for?
Gustutin mo na mag... You hurt.
Pabaho niya.
How
You have to hard thing.
harding. You, bro. Winax mo yung armpits mo, bro.
Yeah.
Put power. Power.
Diba kaya ko?
Yeah, but even I wash with power.
Nakikita yung dede mo. Hindi ka talaga nahiya.
Ay, sorry.
Kasi maglagay ka ng bag. Kita na yung kaluluwa mo. Ayan o. Ayan o. Limuliko-liko ka pa. Hindi ka na nahiya.
Hindi ka naiya.
Hindi ka nahiya. Tingnan mo. Nakikita yung dede mo.
You don't be ashamed. Look, you can see your swoon.
Swoon?
Hindi yung pinaggagawa mo.
What is doing?
Ganda pala ng legs ni Ivana.
Oh, flawless legs. Oh, Ivana.
Tapos mapungay ang mata ni Ivana pag naglalabaw. Grabe.
Her eyes is swelling. Oh my God.
Galing siya maglaba oh.
It's good in washing, ha?
Yan, ganda oh. Tinan mo oh. Napaputi niya yung mga puti.
Black to kanina.
Sandali, tina-translate ko muna.
Puti ko yung puti.
Pumuti na oh.
It's a white. Oh,
Galing, malinis siya maglaba.
amazing.
Pwede na ako
Very
mag-asawa?
clean. Okay.
Pwede na.
Okay. 2 thumbs up.
Ano, pagod ka na?
What, tired?
Hindi pa nga
Oh, my back's hurting. I don't know if this is a bubble challenge.
Oh, it's getting on me. Oh my gosh.
Pala mukha mo. Ma'am, hindi ako ganyan.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Ma'am! Hindi kaya ako ganyan. Kapala mukha mo.
Siyempre pag naglalaba ka kasi hindi ka marunong, tatalsikin ka na ganito.
Ma'am!
Ganyan talaga maglaba. Ano kala mo?
Huwag mong basusin ako. Binabasus mo yung iba na eh. Ganda-ganda akong maglaba, tapos ganyan.
Ang ganda nga niya, tingnan mo.
Hindi kaya.
Nakikitaan pa oh. O, ilibisin mo yun.
You can see.
Alin lang you can see. Oh,
Oh.
yung bobsy.
Ma'am!
Uy, magpapayat ka nga, iba na. Tingnan mo yung tiyan mo.
Tumakin.
Hindi ako ganyan kalaki yung tiyan.
Ay, stomach in yan. Ano ka ba?
Wala na, I'm dirty, ma'am.
Sabon yan. Paano ka
Yeah, but
madudumihan
you're so dirty. Dirty girl. Dirty!
Kuya, kumakanta ka ba?
Pare! Ganun ka dapat eh. Ganyan ako eh.
Cersei!
Ano kantang gano'n sila?
Meron ma!
Madumi.
Sweat dripping over my body!
Sweat dripping over my body.
Oh no!
What?
Oh my gosh!
Monster! You're a monster! My favorite dance ever. So, Ivana always does dance. Like that.
Oh yeah. Oh no! Pakulang na.
Huwag magpasayawin.
Paano?
Oh my gosh!
Baboy! Ivana like to dance always like this.
This?
Oh no!
What?
Mom, are you proud of us now?
Ouch! Wow! Nakakaiyak kasi.
Hindi ba pwede?
Ma, ano masasabi mo sa sayaw niya?
Parang awa niya na. Please, huwag na kayong sumayaw.
If you have a little pity, please don't dance.
Oh no, you have no pity.
Well, let's do it together, bro,
Okay,
sister.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Sumayaw, parang awa niyo na. Kumanta na lang kayo.
Country road, take me home to the place.
Hindi ganyan yung tamang ano, hindi ganyan yung tamang.
I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Wow, girl.
Oh!
Okay.
Aura, girl! Aura! Ba't parang pa-bebe ka, girl, yung ngiti mo?
Paano
Dapat
dapat?
parang
Ah.
ears, like...
Alam mo si Ivana magaling lumangoy eh. Yung breaststroke, kaya mo ba yun?
Pose.
Yeah!
Sabi mo yung picture mo na.
Ganun daw kailangan mo dati kasi sis.
Sana sinabihan mo kanina.
Wala sa ating mga waxing salon.
Oh my gosh! Please help! Send help!
So beautiful.
Naka-aura pa yung point niya kahit nasa pulo.
Ay, na.
Oh?
Ganyan ba?
My sister, you're like a mermaid. A beautiful mermaid.
Yeah, I'm really jealous.
Thanks. I swim like a mermaid.
Can you show us? I don't think that's a mermaid.
Oh no! That's a scary mermaid!
Breaststroke.
Ganda ng breaststroke eh. Paano kayo
Galing! Ang yung mukha niya.
I don't like. Hindi na ako marunong,
Girl,
guys.
give up ka na, girl.
Give up.
I don't like.
Guys, I think that's the end of the video.
Ako mag-close. It's my channel. This is the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my brother. Kasi kailangan yung jowa. Anything else?
Alam mo, brother ko si Jowa.
Subscribe on my channel.
Oh no!
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Is that all, Ivana?
That's all. Ivana signing off.
Ang dami mong kiligili, uy.